Okay, here we go with another box opening. This is a big one. It's as big as the Saturn almost, of a 2980. It's pretty dang big. So stand by.
You're going to have to do all your stuff over here then. Hang on. You don't want to be in the way, do you?
Oh, okay. Alright, here it is. Boy, this sucker goes through the cardboard. Alright. Another homemade box. Cardboard. Paper. Alright. Oh. These things hot. No microphone, but I do have a power desk mic with a 5-pin. Damn. Okay.
Get rid of that box.
Okay. Yeah, let's surround that. Okay. Huh. We got this stuff at work. So we wrap up all the binding and stuff with. Every radio is different. Okay, get up there. Yep, this is the same exact stuff we got at work. Alright. Okay. Alright. Well, it looks pretty nice. It does have the cord. Okay, it's got both cords, 12 volt and and, electric. Okay. Alright, come on, get off. Okay, 12 volt electric. Okay, let's plug her in. Oh, the back looks pretty nice, actually, for what it is. Front just needs to be cleaned up. Okay, in the video it did have receive, but we'll see. Oh, there's a screw missing there. Alright. Okay. 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 That's the whole button.
Well, your antenna is hooked up on the other one.
Oh, yeah. Any different? Okay, squelch off. Probably needs to be clean. Okay. Microphone. I hope this keeps up and works. Pretty nice desktop power mic. Realistic too. Okay. Please be wired right. Okay. Calibrate. Well, that works. No power. All that works. I think it's got relays in it. Okay. Alright. Just hold on. Let's see what she looks like inside. This is going to be a kind of a lengthy video. It'll last. Come on. So it's receiving. Hopefully it's just a relay. Come on, come on. I know I got the antenna on this thing. Dang and keying up the sideband oriented sub. Clock's open. Okay. It's got a weird PLL system there. Helen. Yeah, this is an oddball. Okay, it's got a 1306 and 1307. Alright.
You'll figure it out.
Here's the board. I think that's the clock board. It's different than the trc 457. I'll tell you that right now. Okay. Everything's like untouched. The PLL box. The mic is keying it up though. Maybe it's dirty. Hold on. Just get the good old Deox. Maybe that'll. I don't know. I'm just doing the simple things first. Well, anyway, there it is. We're fairly decent desk mic. Cover's good shape, face is good shape, and so I don't know. Okay, I guess it's time to diagnose. Is it the PLL? It's got volume. It's got receive. Yep. It's gotta be the weirdest diode pack setup I've seen, and it does get warm. It's almost like a 858 board, but it isn't. It's this. It's an oddball. Yeah. I don't know what's under that box here. Okay, let's look at a trc-57. Real nice looking radio. Let's check the military time. See if it works. Oh, 01, yeah. Oh, 300 hours. 800 hours, 900, 1000, 11, 12. It's supposed to go to 1300. Yeah, that's weird. Huh. Eight, 9, 10 in the morning, 11, 12. Yeah, odd. Okay. It's supposed to say 1300, but it goes back to 10, so I don't know. Alright. Let's look at a Navajo. Oh, I got my work cut out here. Big break.